Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Newton cryptocurrency. Specifically, I'm going to answer the question, who is the owner of Newton cryptocurrency? And I'm also going to show you how to send BTC from Newton. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about why Newton is such an important cryptocurrency. Newton is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and it's used by millions of people. It's also one of the most secure and reliable exchanges out there. So, who is the owner of Newton cryptocurrency? The answer is that Newton is owned by a company called Newton Technologies Incorporated. Newton Technologies Incorporated is a private company that is based in Toronto, Canada. It was founded in 2017 by two entrepreneurs, Michael and Ryan Rabinovich. Newton Technologies Incorporated is not publicly traded, so it's difficult to know exactly how much the company is worth. However, it's estimated to be worth billions of dollars. Now that we know who owns Newton, let's talk about how to send BTC from Newton. How to send BTC from Newton. Sending BTC from Newton is easy. Here are the steps. Log into your Newton account. Click on the Send tab. Enter the address of the wallet you want to send BTC to. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Click on the Send button. Your BTC will be sent to the wallet you specified. The transaction will typically take a few minutes to confirm. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time.